Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on display templates on Google Sites. So first of all, we want to open Google Sites. After opening the Google Sites, here you can see that there is no templates here. So for making it shown here on the top left corner, you can see three lines. Click on that. And then here is an option. You can see here settings. Click on that. And then here is second section. You can see here templates and uh, in that section as an option you can see here display recent templates on home screens, and here you can see that it's not turned on, so by clicking it you can turn it on, and after turning it on click on OK. Then you can see that you had been turned on show templates on Google Sites. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.